During the past 10 years, adversaries have sought out ways to creatively apply commercial technologies to offset U.S. advantages. A near-peer competitor has developed a quantum AI-powered system that uses advanced weather forecasting to shape information warfare operations. Their goal? Build upon a severe weather event predicted in advance by their AI and plan a campaign of disinformation, cyber attacks, electronic thefts, and other disruptions, all without being discovered. The events would seem unrelated, but they are deceptively designed to fall like a line of dominoes and cause as much chaos as possible. By this time, the Army's AI capability for installation operations, SARI, has been fully deployed to provide leaders with a common operating picture, predictive analytics, and optimized choices.
Here in Washington, D.C., and we have a National Weather Service severe weather alert for most of the U.S. Beginning March 16th, a polar vortex will dip as far south as Texas, unleashing brutal cold across the nation.
What the?
Due to severe snowfall, federal offices in the Washington, D.C. area are closed today. All non-essential employees should not report to work.
What's going on here? Good morning, SARI. What's going on with the weather and where is everybody?
The forecast has changed, sir, and the polar vortex has missed D.C. It appears the original forecast caused the DoD alert telling all non-essential personnel to work from home. All systems are monitoring and analyzing all incoming data and will keep you advised.
Vortex is hitting us hard here at Fort Drum, and temps are currently at -10 and a wind chill factor of -20. This just in, local Army base Fort Drum News is reporting the current snowstorm has shut down all rail operations, halting mobilization of its units destined for overseas deployment.
This news is not accurate and may be showing a pattern of weather-related disinformation. No units from Fort Drum are scheduled to deploy within the next 90 days.
Thank you, SARI. I will notify the commander of your concern.
This just in. The hospital has sent out warnings to all staff members saying 8 COVID cases have been confirmed and are being treated. Those infected were dock workers exposed to a shipment from Southeast Asia that had a previous stop in Africa.
That's not possible. That shipment hasn't even arrived yet.
We will keep you informed as we hear more on the COVID outbreak. Marine Ocean Terminal Local News Report. False information detected. Originating ship in question was delayed and is not scheduled to arrive for another 36 hours. SARI Analytics has detected a possible pattern connecting 3 weather-related events. Pattern suggests next disruptive event will be reported at 1000 hours at an unknown location. Fort Bliss social media sites include pictures of severe flooding and power outages due to extreme cold. Real-time sensors and data integration confirm there is less than 15% of family housing affected. The Fort Bliss social media page has been hijacked and filled with disinformation from an unknown origin, making the event seem a lot worse than it is.
So, how goes the analytics, SARI?
I am currently processing all additional data. The Fort Bliss event has provided additional data that shows a clear pattern of events. The next event should be reported at 11:35 at Fort Hood.
What on earth? No, this can't be happening.
Jack, soldiers with the Multi-Domain Task Force have been targeted with a bank intrusion, resulting in nearly a $5 million loss from personal accounts, exclusively belonging to soldiers at the point of embarkation.
What the?
SARI Analytics predicts an event will be reported at Fort Bragg at 1310 as an attempt at disinformation operations affecting the post's safety posture.
SARI, can you get the RPAC commander online?
Yes, Jack. You are now connected.
Good morning, sir. SARI is detecting a pattern that appears to coincide with locations affected in some way by the polar vortex. They appear to be a series of unrelated events, but are actually related.
Yeah, Jack, I'm definitely seeing a pattern and its connection to readiness.
Sir, we are seeing a pattern of reports targeting our power projection platforms. Based on pattern analysis, we expect the next event will seek to disrupt activities at Fort Riley, Kansas, at 1345.
Jack, okay. I'm definitely convinced based on the events we are seeing. Inform Fort Riley we'll be on the lookout for some sort of disruption.
SARI, can you get me the Fort Riley Garrison commander?
Yes, I am contacting now.
Good afternoon, Mr. Reynolds. Crazy weather we're having here.
Sir, expect a disinformation attack at 1345. Please consult SARI to validate any action you may be inclined to take.
Just got an alert, Jack. I've got to go.
Severe weather alert. 7 tornado funnels have been spotted within 3 miles of the installation. Impacts are imminent.
SARI, get the base alert queued for broadcast.
Alert ready for broadcast.
Base alert. Multiple tornadoes have been spotted in the base area. Take cover immediately in a tornado shelter or basement. This is not a drill.
Wait. Abort. This is a disinformation attack. I repeat, this is a disinformation attack.
This was definitely a coordinated attack of some kind, Jack. You know, I'm not even sure if this will be considered an act of war, but sure seems like it. Can you believe this day is only half over?
Yes, sir. It's been one heck of a day.